If your nose feels like a pepper shaker, you're about to learn why sneezing happens. Sneezing is your body's natural way of clearing out irritants from your nose or throat. When something like pollen, smoke, or even a strong smell irritates your nasal lining, it triggers your brain to send a signal. This signal tells your muscles to contract and, achoo, you sneeze. Did you know sneezing can expel air at speeds over 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's high-speed defense mechanism at work. Stay curious and bless you.